literally thousands of dollars worth of problems this year that I've spent thousands of dollars trying to repair. So yeah, and we've called and asked, and you guys just tell us that it's QuickBooks, and then we call QuickBooks and they tell us that it's you guys. So, and then the guy that loses is the owner of the company. So what an annoying. It's literally cost me thousands of dollars this year to make all these repairs and fix all these financial problems online. With our old CRM software, it's been an absolute nightmare. And we're still fighting it. We just spent 2 weeks trying to get a hold of them so we could cancel the service. Can't get a hold of anybody. Nobody answers. They take down a ticket, tell us they're gonna get back to us. So this morning I called them and told them how I really felt. And sure enough, boy, we got a phone call back the same day from a lady in charge and got her direct line. So that's really nice business and customer service. Once you get mad and tell them you want to cancel, then you get the top tier service from them. So that's really cool. So as we told you guys about a month ago, we actually made the switch to Jobber, and so far this has been a seamless process. The customer service has been great. The directions, the videos, all the help that they've been giving us, and even the software is way more user-friendly than our past CRM. So we've really enjoyed the switch thus far. We're still kind of going through it and getting everything up to date and making everything work. So if you guys are running a business, whether it's a small one, you got 1 or 2 employees, or you got 25 employees, if you're running a service-based business, guys, we highly recommend Jobber. It's been a great experience so far, and we are a Jobber ambassador, so if you guys want to save a little money, just get a free 14-day trial plus 20% off your first 6 months using our link. Link is also located in the video description. Check it out, guys. I highly recommend it. If you are a service-based business, you got to have a CRM. You got to keep track of every hour. You got to keep track of every dollar that goes in and out. And Jobber is just a great software for the all-around business. So go check it out, guys. Let's get back to work.
warm.
Yeah.
I only got about 40,000 layers on. I'm still freezing.
Yeah, me too.
Can I come in?
I suppose. It's warmer in here. This guy's just blinding me. He's followed a plow truck into the parking lot that they're plowing. And now he's just completely clueless. Hope he's watching. That's bad. Yep, he's just gonna keep following me in circles, I guess.
Well, Dan, what time you start?
We all came in at 3. Yeah, it's been a morning now.
It's been a morning?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about it.
Four-wheel drive don't want to work in this truck. He's doing it again.
He's parking now.
Yep, just keep parking in the parking lot that's being plowed. They know they're not supposed to do it. Like, there's parking places these people are supposed to be parking when it snows. Exhibit A, they're all parked over here. Don't you think everybody would park over here? Oh, what do I know though, Derek? It's almost as bad as the old grocery store, ain't it?
I'll allow people to come work. Going and getting your groceries during the year's work biggest storms. Pretty lame.
Oh, for sure.
Who's that? Is that one of our guys?
Yeah. I don't know what that one's name is.
That one?
Yeah. The other two are across town. I figured I'd bring him just to get everything started. Eric, you want to roll down your window and roll it back up? I can't see nothing.
What truck is this?
208. Oh, yeah, that helped a lot, didn't it?
Alright, so the four-wheel drive don't work.
Mm-hmm. So I got to be very mindful of that. Like, we got dock doors and stuff here. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll give one a try once they're about done here, but...
You been salting yet?
Nothing yet. Just trying to get all this cleaned up and looking pretty. I thought that was a vehicle down in the ditch. I guess not. Not near as cool as I thought. Oh, it might be, actually. Finally getting them to the point they'll actually get stuff out away from the curbs a little bit. So it's going a lot better.
Have you hit a shoveler yet?
Not yet. Been considering it though.
As an accident or on purpose?
Yeah, we'll go with that. Yeah, this place you literally got to go all the way around. There's no good way to do the front part of this.
So you got Sean at the hospital since you don't have the four-wheel drive?
Yep, Sean's over there. And yeah, you got to push it the snow quite a ways on a bunch of grass, and you know it's been 40 degrees. Not good. And yeah, there's no other place to put it, so you literally need four-wheel drive. And I didn't feel like getting stuck again.
How many times have you been stuck this year?
Just once. This morning. It wasn't that bad. I don't know why he's still pushing these. You good? Kids, I tell you, Derek. I don't think I'm supposed to do it this way, but this is how I do it. To get it away a little bit. I'll deal with the piles later, unless the city gets them first.
So that's what you do. You put everything out in the street, and then once the city takes it, you're like, "Well, I was gonna take care of that. I just hadn't got to it yet."
No, I got most of it up there on the curb. I was gonna get this big old pile out of here. Because over here, I don't really have a good place to put anything. I gotta pull up the map here. 'Cause I know I've never plowed this. Our plow stakes are there now. Doesn't say to do it or to not do it, so I'm gonna do it. I'll make them kids do it with the mower. Because I don't know what's underneath it there. No, I'm not getting stuck again today. Wait, is this pavement here too? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. Because they had a bunch of junk here. And they made me come and help them. It all got plowed in because there's no other place to put the snow. They had a bunch of like racking here. Yeah, it's fun, Derek. YouTube doesn't get to see me rant very much, do they?
Had a fan come up to me at Walmart yesterday.
Did ya?
Yeah, he literally got within like 2 feet from me. He was checking out. And he stopped. He looked me right in the face. He goes, "Derek?" And I go, "Yeah." I didn't know what the guy was. Bagel services? I said, "Oh, yeah, yep." And he goes, "Oh, how's Dan's crack?" First thing he asked me.
It's famous.
Yeah. I said, "Well, it's there, as always."
You know how some of these viewers are. I could probably sell pictures of it.
You think so?
Probably. I bet somebody'd buy one.
Somebody comment down below, what's the most you'd pay for an ass crack photo of Dan? And then it's double if it's Dan's ass crack at the ass crack of Dawn picture.
Maybe for the right price, I suppose we could probably Sharpie somebody's name too if we wanted to. So this morning my morning started. Got to the shop, checked the fluids in the truck, blew the crotch out of my pants.
Exploded it?
Oh, bad, all the way down to my knee. No, I caught it. I was going across the front of the plow.
Yeah.
Caught it right on the corner and
Daniel, how's it going this far?
so far so good.
A-okay?
Ish, yeah.
How much longer you got out? Will it be daylight by the time?
Oh yeah.
Be noon?
I don't know about noon, but I bet probably 10 or 11 by the time we're all done. We'll see. I mean, once Sean gets done with the hospital, one of us will handle gassers in the hotel and fly pretty good.
What are you doing now?
Back dragging these as good as I can with no four-wheel drive. So I gotta be very, very gentle.
The next day.
Hey, Eric!
this dump trailer right here. Right close. Back this up, John. Yeehaw.
Holly's got the Pagel Services issued pink snow pants on.
Yeah.
How come you don't got a pair of those, Eric?
Well, I have heated insulated jeans. That's why.
Oh.
So there's a lot of wood here. So I think what we do is load the dump trailer with all the wood, everything that's burnable. Throw in the dump trailer. It's got a little bit of metal on it. That's fine like that. You know. I would start with that. All the wood and shit. You can throw some more garbage in that dumpster, and then maybe, you know, like this shit can go in the steel dumpster. Anything steel, so you could pick a truck and start putting that stuff in there. So it's basically going to be 2 separate trips with the dump trailer, one with wood and then one with garbage. I'll probably bring the skid loader back up here with the bucket, so that like all that wood over there, you could just toss it in the bucket and then throw it in the dump trailer, so you're not carrying it all. So, but I would get this shit out first in the trailer, and then back your trailer right in here, so you guys are walking 30 less steps with everything. Okay, so start getting all this shit right here in the trailer, and then I'll come back with a bucket, maybe scrape this out, and then I'll leave the skid loader for you guys to use a little bit. So, but take your time, don't get hurt. If you want to keep something, set it aside. But the garage is full of a lot of shit. If we gotta pull that tarp down, we can, or whatever. But set some lights up in there. So let's concentrate on this first. Get the dump trailer in here and go from there. So, all right. Okay. This is not an all-day thing, too.
Hi, Holly.
What's up, Derek?
Hey, how's it going?
Fine, I suppose.
All right. It's cold enough for you guys, or maybe a little colder?
A lot colder than I'd like.
Could have done this like a week ago when it was 40 out. Oh, the snow was gone.
Well, those are all tied in bundles.
We're in trouble now.
He can leave them. John!
Emily says to look for something to plant flowers in.
Here's a fish tank. Oh, I'm caught. Again.
Why?
Because when
We're gonna be what?
a big deal in this neighborhood.
Why?
Because that house, and that house all messaged me after we did the walkthrough through this. They said, "Oh, are you finally gonna come clean that shithole up?" Every single one of them. It's gonna be a big deal, big talk about with the neighborhood around here.
That stuff you could probably just burn where it lays, couldn't you?
Tin.
I wish.
Is there anything cool in the garage?
I opened the door. There's a BB pew pew in there,
Oh, good.
A lot of really strange.
and it's a Red Ryder.
Yeah.
Guess what style it is, though?
What?
It's a Christmas Story style,
Fancy.
without the compass,
You
though.
taking that home with you?
I might.
There's a bunch of really strange weapons in when we walk through. Scythes and machetes.
I
and
seen a big machete in the door when I opened it to see what we were dealing with.
a bunch of weird stuff.
Tell him to go grab the freaking grapple.
Well, that's what I was thinking. Maybe somebody could run and get pallet for it since skid loader is going to be here.
Well, who plowed Sunset Fields?
I don't know.
'Cause that's where Kaleb was heading. 'Cause they never shoveled out the dumpsters again.
It wasn't me. All I did was the Swans building and the storage units.
Oh, that ain't good. Where's your Pagel Services gear, John? Not here.
That's Dan's new mobile.
Wonder how many more of those we're gonna find out here. think that's pallet racking, ain't it?
This?
Yeah, sure looks like it.
Because it is.
Probably should have got this done before the snow, huh?
That's what John was saying.
Oh, it's actually snowing again right now.
Clay says this is going to be an all-day thing.
Yeah, he doesn't want it to be.
Yeah, we'll see. Got more of them than he got up in there.
We don't have to set pallet forks at the office, do we? It don't help, it's all snow covered.
Taking all sorts of them gone.
Oh, trying to get this shit done before he leaves. Have you done any more deer hunting, Dan?
No. If I ain't got one yet, I'm not gonna get one.
Anything that's super froze to the ground, just say f it. I'm fine with leaving it 2 hours trying to get this door open. But if you guys want to spend 10 minutes trying to get it open, if you can. If you can't, then I'm just going to shove the skid loader through it and it's done. I mean, it's not worth having you guys spend
Right.
a lot of time on it. So see if you guys can rip it open. It's junk. It's getting a new door anyways.
Okay.
So it doesn't really matter. And then yeah, we're probably gonna have to send somebody out to get chainsaw or sawzall. I'm assuming this whole thing's got to go out to wood. So okay, yeah. See if you can get that open, and then Dan, you could take a break sometime and go get them a sawzall and a chainsaw or something.
All right.
And then I'm sure it'll be another probably two loads of wood out of here.
Holy fuck, that
I'm on a
fucker's
new TV
ginormous.
for my apartment.
I don't know if it'll be broke.
Fit in there.
I was gonna say, don't smash that screen. See, it don't even have a cord on it, does it?
There was one sitting back there.
What even is this?
It works.
You think this was supposed to be like an elevated like wrestling ring or something?
It's a stripper stage.
It's a stripper stage.
It's a stripper stage, huh?
That's what I'm calling it.
The vacuum cleaner?
I do not need a vacuum. But I do need a cord for the TV.
Probably here somewhere. There's a remote for it. Should be right there.
Vizio? Is that what that was?
No, that's a Samsung out there.
Damn.
You can
fuck
buy
is
new
that?
cords for them, but
It's bloated, whatever it is.
Don't
There's a
talk
head
about
in
me
there.
like that, Holly.
There's a fucking head in there.
what else we got? Ooh, bench vise and a grinder. That's going
A
on.
folding table.
So what, are you just hauling wood shit out now?
This thing is f***ing sweet.
Taking the
Same
Stab,
size
stab.
as you.
Much. Thing is sick.
Find anything cool over here, Holly?
They're everywhere.
Are they real?
I don't know. Like there's holes poked in them. Like someone might have like fucking sucked them out.
What, are you keeping them or what?
No, probably not.
No, they're real. They're just empty.
They're real.
Do you know if we're getting another garbage dumpster?
I'm not sure.
Or we're just doing it all in the dump trailer?
We're getting a steel dumpster, I know that. Everything's burnable, Holly. Should I just leave it in here?
Yeah, probably.
Ready?
Where did he go? He was in the insulation.
Oh, I know. I see.
There ain't no rat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it was a mother rat.
I just see
That's
the
not
steel.
a mouse.
Where'd he go?
I thought he was going to the right. Like towards that green.
Oh, he might be. He might be behind all this.
That pretty vibration.
Oh, I don't think he went in there. I think he went back and...
Right back to that memory. It was huge.
Oh, I seen him. I seen his fucking tail.
Where'd he go that
An
time?
extension cord.
Did you see him again? I don't know where that fucker went. He was right here. His tail went down over when I came in here. His tail was like that long.
Fucking nasty son of bitches.
It's gonna be that way, just a rat.
I ain't scared of him.
Oh my. You sure it ain't a coon?
No, no.
No, that's cat poop.
Oh,
There's
it's
a
cat.
litter box right there.
Oh. Well, apparently the cat wasn't doing the job then, huh?
No.
Or they're just too lazy to change their litter box.
So what do we got in here, Holly?
I don't know, some resin. And apparently some good pills. Because it's in cigarette cellophane. Then, where'd it go?
Oh, down on there. And a nice hypodermic needle.
This needle. Vape pen.
Nice.
Cool beans.
We got some PS3 games in here.
From a distance, that's what I thought it was.
Wouldn't be surprised the way this is going.
The next day.
Well, hey, Johnny boy. I thought this was supposed to be done yesterday. What's going on here?
A lot of shit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Anything cool?
No.
No. No drugs, no weapons, no nothing?
Well, I mean, there are swords and stuff everywhere, but
Did you keep anything?
I didn't.
Oh.
The other two yahoos did.
Oh, so this is what this looks like. What are all those jugs?
We're assuming they're piss jugs.
Piss jugs?
Yeah.
For what reason?
So apparently there's a guy that was living in here.
Oh, he was just squatting?
I think.
He's probably pissed off his house is all tore apart now. Alright. Now we got a cardboard insulation. That's pretty good.
You got a window.
You got a window that's you can't see through.
Oh, look over here.
We got more windows you can't see through.
You got some windows with newspaper and foam and.
Alright. Fly trap. You think these are Oh, there's no way. Look at how dark that is. That's gross. Boy, I hope that's not a pea jug collection.
That's what the boss is assuming it is.
Alright. Where's everybody else?
Basement.
What's in here?
More garbage.
Where's Eric?
Morning.
And Holly. Where are you guys coming from? Basement? Oh. Alright.
We're done with this toad, aren't we?
Well, you guys, John said there wasn't anything cool in there. There wasn't nothing cool in there?
Not really.
No? You guys take anything?
Yeah, I took the wood stove.
There was a wood stove in there? It's disconnected, just hanging out?
Well, it was connected. The dude was living in there.
No.
It was a campsite.
That's what we were told.
That's what John just said. I don't know. I can't imagine something. Where was he sleeping? There was no bed.
Bunk bed in there.
There's a bunk bed in there.
Oh, there was?
Yeah.
As you walk through that front door, it's to the right.
He's probably, where's he at? He's probably hanging out behind a tree somewhere, pissed off. Tearing apart his house.
Take your pee jugs with you.
You took a wood stove. Did you take anything?
BB gun.
Oh.
Some other stuff. Random shit.
I wanted the old wood stove with the cooktop on it.
Nice. Throw that out in some sort of outdoor area or what? Yeah.
My plans with it.
Yeah. John's over here just destroying a kid's play set.
Someone's got to.
People just didn't care if their basement entries looked like dungeons at all back in the
Found a
day.
box of mushrooms down
Wait.
here. Yeah, back in that corner. In the box.
Were they like gross and dried up and moldy?
They weren't moldy.
Were they like,
They were like
were they
yellow
psilocybin ones or what?
Maybe.
Or, like were they planted or were they just growing naturally?
They were broke off and thrown in the box.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. I don't know. Not sure what they were.
Back in here, did you guys have to crawl in here at all?
No.
Ugh, what the hell?
Typical cellar basement.
Look at all that. Look at all that stuff right here. You guys are just right here through the light.
Oh, the
You guys
dust?
Just been breathing that in
Oh, I
for
know.
the past 2
I
days.
just told Eric, I was like, I feel like I just swallowed a mouthful of cinnamon. My throat's like fucking dusty. You know,
Oh.
pills, needles, and,
Pills and needles?
yeah, and bowls, and crack pipes and shit.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, it was quite a bit.
Well, it's definitely a lot cleaner. Was there anything upstairs at all, like in the cupboards or anything?
No, we didn't even go upstairs.
Oh.
We just did the basement. I think there's a snowblower on the front porch that we're supposed to take.
I did see that. Swing in it, Johnny boy. It'll come down.
Huh?
Swing in it. It'll come down.
No, well, I was already swinging on it.
You were?
You missed it.
Oh, let me see.
No. It was a little sketchy.
Here. Look at that bend of that.
I know. I was on
You were
it.
swinging on it?
Yeah.
How much do you weigh?
160.
That's what I weigh. This would really hurt if it fell on my back. Is it coming?
No.
Alright. Alright, let's all get on it.
See if we can take a whole branch down.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how else you're going to get up there and get it. You have to stand on it.
I don't have my climbing boots on, so I can't climb a tree.
You might have to put them on your
I
shoulders.
was going to say, I'm going to come up between your legs and put you on my shoulders.
It might be easier to put Holly on your shoulders, but
That could be too.
Oh,
that's nice that it'll come right off.
it will.
Yeah, I thought that'd be frozen solid.
No.
Probably if I pick you up, will you get it out of there?
Here, just have her stand on this.
How many pickle service workers does it take to figure out a swing?
Okay.
sake!
Now look at that holder up there.
You want to maybe hold her feet? Is that all right? Does that help maybe?
Oh shit. Maybe.
Oh, we got that far.
No, I got that one.
But if you get that clip off, you can grab that, or are you gonna fall
What? How are you getting that off?
if you let go? Can't you just take that clip off and it'll come right down? Because it's connected.
That should just be like a regular clip style.
Yeah.
Just squeeze it.
Yeah, just squeeze it. Yeah, but it's not locked. I
It's
don't
not
think.
locked. It's just...
Yeah, just take the clip off and then just got to make sure we maybe stabilize her a little
shit.
bit better here. She's holding herself up here. Yep.
Fuck.
Here, just let.
I gotta get it. Let me up, up, up. Hold me. What the fuck?
Here, hold this, John.
I was trying to get you to go on.
Get it off. Just fucking okay. Now.
Yeah.
Let go of the one side. It'll just come
No,
down
I'm
with
gonna
you.
tip backwards. Let me down a little.
All right.
Woo! Thanks for the lift.
Sorry.
Like, what the hell? You let me go.
I guarantee. Let's see. Let's see. There's had to have been at least one neighbor watching that scenario.
My arms are starting to burn.
I bet you. I didn't know what you were doing. I thought you were gonna go to the top of the tree there for a little bit.
But I think she's stronger than you and I put together.
I was trying to get to the branch to hold on to that.
All right, you guys probably got another hour or two. Not even.
I don't know. We're just supposed to move all the metal to over there, and they'll come get it tomorrow or something. Shouldn't be too much left.
All right. Well, at least it's not as cold today. At least it doesn't feel like it is.
It's not
I feel kind of cold right now because I was sweating my ass off in the basement.
Oh.
Now it's kind of cold.
Can I shut the basement off?
No. The lights and shit are still down.
All right. Good work, guys.
Good work, Derek.
See you later. I helped you a little bit.
Yeah, thanks for the lift.
See you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, I know what you're doing right now. You're trying to find what's wrong so you can, give that feedback back to your team. But what's silly to me is that we've called in and asked and told you problems, and you guys just tell us that it's not your problem. So now that I want to cancel, now you want me to tell you what's wrong so that you can take that feedback and try to fix it. So does that make any sense on my end? Why I'm sitting here trying to help you? I mean, we've called multiple times and during the year, and we've always been told, well, it's not really it must be something with QuickBooks. So it's always, I mean, we're going to be trying to fix this for another 2 months. So, and your guys' software is like $19.99 compared to any other program on the internet. So I don't know how it's so outdated, and you got to have a law degree to try to understand it and run the operation. So